understand it, could you? Where's Amy? Where's Amy? Where'd she go? Where'd she go? Ah! Where's Amy? Where's Amy? Hey! All better now? Oh, you're trying. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. Okay. Here we go. Oh, close. That's your mouth, not your eyes. There you go. Where's Amy? Where's Amy? I can see you. I can see you. Where's Amy? Where's Amy? Where's Amy? Where's Amy? Where's Amy? Where's Amy?